Yeah. 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 In the back of them. Good.
My friend has yeah. Those are super all cross wheels, like again, super period.
That's nice. 65. This is worth some money. That's nice.
They got a bunch of fucking benches here with old Woody.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, that look nice.
Like the rims.
No. Not at all. Orbit wheels. See? Oh, it's a European too. It look like a European. It's the same front. Oh, this is a carrot car. Okay.
Those are like.
No, I have these. These are the lights we have already. Yeah. That's what it looked like when we just changed the bumper.
Yeah.
That's what these.
It's a carrot car.
Carrot du chocolat. Here. Swiss? Something like that. But now they make bulletproof cars, but they used to make body kits and stuff for Benz's interiors. Ferrari.
Like this. This looks like it.
Yeah, it is. This is nice. This is what.
A 12, 11 hectares. A 12, no, I'm asking, I don't know.
This is where some paper.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
This color.
Yeah.
That's original. The car is 46 years old. The paint is original. Except the hubcaps and the hood had to be recolored.
Westbury matters, right? We're Westbury, North, Westbury.
But one time I must have gone with my school because I wasn't with school.
That looks good. Next to the
My electric doesn't come take it off my arm from my leg so he can see it, because you can't really see through the pores of air. So he checks me all out. Everything's fine, but it's on my face.
So we go. You got 3 million?
Oh, dude, look at that. Oh, dude, look at this. That's a Ferrari Dyno GT.
Which one?
Well, this
That's
one
nice.
he has a 64, and he has split.
What you like?
Yeah.
One of those guys, I think.
This is yours.
Takes his first show and they take your car. Easy. Oh,
It's like a, not a red, not anything like that. That color.
Not really.
sitting over there, doing the back.
That's worth some money. That's worth some money. Yeah. What? This? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it does. That's nice. Well, I think that's a SF. I think so.
It's that glass too. It's that brake fluid.
Where? Oh. See? Yeah, might be windshield washer fluid.
That's not the gold. 190. That's not.
Somebody in Sag Harbor got one of these. Sag Harbor in East Hampton. Yeah. See him every summer. It looks okay. It look better. It's small inside.
I'll give you a deal.
I don't know. I think I might be too big.
Yeah, I can get in and I can't get out.
It's a little small inside. Looks good though. Okay.
1,750,000.
Oh, yeah.
Where are you guys located?
No. You can see it from here.
Want to make sure you guys are well fed, so if you haven't already done so, visit one of our great food vendors. I'm going to hand the mic over to Bob Hussey, our master chef.
Oh, nice guy.
Good afternoon, everybody. I especially want to thank you for coming. I want to go to trustees of Overstay Gardens, and also the Mercedes Club, so it's a nice combination. But I hope everyone can appreciate probably the day and the work of the club. In 1960, it was turned over to a 501c. So
See what I'm saying? This one and that one.
Yes, I see.
Right?
Yes, they look the
And
same.
the last one.
we have probably about 20% of the cars here, so we're really lucky. You know, just to talk about the work for one more minute, we have about 5 or 6 programs going on here. And driving slow. And adult education programs that go on here. Gardens is open 6 days a week. Sponsors are really good. Yummy Gyro, it's been a great day. I don't know if we have any.
Right hand drive.
Straight 6, you said? It's got to be a 3 Yeah, 3.2, 1990. Which is basically 104, 102.
Got my new 49 Marine, so we can have the rest up here. This is home.
Like this.